Hello everyone, today in this video I'll talk about the scholarship opportunities for undergraduate admissions. Here different kinds of scholarship you can take a look at. Lingnan University Local Student Scholarship, Lingnan University Local Student Scholarship, and this is the scores and this is the coverage of the scholarship. You can take a look here. Lingnan University non-local scholarship, they'll provide the full scholarship which will cover the tuition fee, hostel and partial academic and living expenses as well. Full tuition scholarship and half tuition scholarship. These three kind of scholarship are available for non-local students. And Lingnan University Admission Award for senior years, for example, if you will get the CGPA from 3.1 to 4.0, then you will get that much award they are mentioned here. And other sport and other scholarship are also available here. You can take a look. These are scholarships only for undergraduate, okay? And then if you want to apply for postgraduate or research studies, then I'll make another video for that, and for that video I'll add the link in the description. If you will have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. And thank you so much for watching the video. Take care and bye bye.